Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do Leetcode weekly challenge first, bi-weekly challenge. First question: categorize box according to criteria. So here is the question: given four integers, length, width, height, mass, representing the dimension and mass of a box respectively, return a string representing the category of the box. So basically, these are the following categories which we are required to present, and accordingly we are required to return the answer. So the first category is the box is bulky if any of the dimension of the box is greater than 10 raised to the power 4 or the volume of the box is greater than 10 raised to the power 9. So these are the two things which we are required to check for the box to be bulky. If the mass of the box is greater or equal to 100, it is heavy. If the box is both bulky and heavy, then its category is both. If the box is neither bulky nor heavy, then its category is neither. If the box is bulky but not heavy, then its category is bulky. And if the box is heavy but not bulky, then its category heavy. So both of these criteria means both of the last criteria which are there. So actually we are not required to much look into it. But the above four criteria which are there, that we are required to do. And then let us go ahead with the constraint. So as per the constraint, but the way the things which we are required to do in this question, so it will be directly order of n solution only, and it would be simply either by using case statements, else we would be using if else statements. So here in the first example, length is 1000, width is 35, height 700, and mass is 300. So here output is heavy because here you can see that if mass of the box is greater than or equal to 100, then we can return heavy. So that is the condition which is satisfied. Then here for this neither part, here the condition was that it shouldn't be heavy or bulky. Means the opposite conditions should be there. Means either of these should be less than 1000 and mass should also be less than 100. So that's why your answer is neither. So according to all these conditions only, we are required to directly implement the question. So let us go ahead with the coding part for the same. So here, if length is greater than 10 raised to power 4 or means either of them is greater and the volume. Here we are typecasting to long int, else we will be getting a runtime error for the same, is greater than 10 raised to power 9 and our mass is greater than equal to 100. Then in that context we will be returning both. Here why I have taken this and part at the starting, because see, if I would have written heavy or bulky, where only one condition is required to be checked, then surely some of the test cases in which this particular condition only satisfy, then that would be giving us answer. But where we are required to check for both of the condition, then surely there would be a false positive case which shouldn't be there. So that's why we are required to put this and condition, means the case where both is required to be returned. So that for checking of that condition, we are required to write it the first, and then we are writing the single condition, and then goes with the neither part. And then at the end, because we are required to return this string, right? So that's why we are just returning this as the return type. So that's the thing. And because of this, our answer will be satisfying all the conditions which are given to us. So here you can clearly see that this is clearly order of one solution, because here it's all about this if else condition as per the inputs which are being given to us, and the time complexity order of one, space complexity also order of one. So this was all for this particular question. If you have any doubt, you could comment that down. And yeah, one more information, as you are already trying with this Leetcode bi-weekly and weekly challenges, you can also try out with the Newton School coding challenge, about which you can figure out with the all the details in the description below. So yeah, this was all for this particular question. Thank you.